Hey, welcome back! In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk through Grid Warp Shaper, one of our tools inside MotionDesk Panel, and cover everything you need to know to get the most out of it. To get started, head over to our website, download and install MotionDesk Panel, then fire it up inside After Effects. I'm going to open After Effects now, launch the panel, and install Grid Warp Shaper straight from the Market section. Now let me run the tool. I'm going to apply it to a star shape, and right away, we hit an error. This is actually a really common thing to run into. The shape is parametric, which means it needs to be converted to a Bezier path before the tool can work with it. To fix it, open the shape layer and click Convert to Bezier Path. That's all it takes. Now, back in the tool, I'll set the number of columns and rows to define how many control points I want. Then hit Apply. And there they are, guide points placed all around the shape, exactly matching the grid I set up. Move any of them, and that part of the shape follows. Let me zoom in to check the quality, and as you can see, the shape looks perfectly clean. No artifacts, no degradation. Now let's jump into a different composition. This one has a text layer in it. I'll select the text layer, set my columns and rows inside the tool, and hit Apply. Oops, another error. And this one's on me. Just like before, we need to convert the layer first. Text layers need to become shape layers before Grid Warp Shaper can work with them. So I'll right-click the text layer and choose Create Shape from Text. Now I'll select the new shape layer, apply the tool, and we're good. Here's where things get fun. I'll select all the guide point layers, press P to bring up their position properties, then click the stopwatch on one of them to open the expression field. I'll type in a wiggle expression, just like you see here, then copy and paste it into the position of every other guide point. And just like that, the whole shape is alive and bouncing around on its own. Now let's try a fresh composition with another text layer, this time using a different mode. I'll select Line Controls in the tool, set my rows and columns, convert the text to a shape layer first, then apply. Notice how the control layers look completely different this time. Instead of individual point handles, you now have row and column handles, which means you can compress one part of the shape while stretching another, all in a single move. Really powerful for text animations. I'll go ahead and set some keyframes on the guide layers to build the animation. And then I'll bring in another one of our tools, Bounce On, and apply it to those position keyframes to add a natural spring feel. And there it is. If you want to get your hands on all of this, head over to our website and download MotionDesk Panel. We've got a whole lineup of tools waiting for you, and trust me, this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.